the audience know who you are?
Okay, my name is Pedro Silva. I am backend development lead at Miniclip. Basically, I lead a team of engineers that develop nice game servers.
And I'm Pedro Engana. I've been a game developer for 5 years. I've worked on a bit of everything, but now I'm working with Erlang and game servers.
And you guys just gave a great presentation on the game server platform you've been working on. Did you want to talk a bit about that platform and a bit about what you covered in the presentation?
Okay, I can start and then Pedro can dig in some details if needed. Basically, we presented the Maestro platform. That is a game as a service platform for internal use. That allows us to develop games just focus on the specific of each game. So it provides a set of features that enables to deliver quickly a new game.
Yeah, we built Maestro to be extensible so that we can quickly start, develop, deploy and monitor any game that we need to launch, only focusing on the domain logic of the game in particular and not having to deal with all of the boilerplate code that we generally need to do for each game that we launch.
Nice. And it sounds like, that's pretty interesting work that seems to be an emerging area in Erlang now, where Erlang has been used to do some of that stuff in the past, but it seems to be happening much more frequently now. Are you guys seeing any of that?
Yeah,
as well?
we from the beginning of the mobile studio at Lisbon, the decision was to use Erlang because the scalability, the fault tolerance, the usual thing that Erlang provides, and we keep believing in Erlang as a programming language, and more than that, as an environment to run our big clusters. So yeah, basically we believe that we are in the right path.
Yeah, and as the game industry itself is a pretty young industry, all things considered, so as it's maturing, companies are gravitating to better solutions rather than slapdash studio that builds a game and puts it out there. So as they're starting to figure this out and they look at Erlang, and it's already proven to be a great platform for distributing systems, they can try to use it what they need from that and integrate it with the rest of the technology to make better service overall.
Yeah, and I think some of the the power and the concurrency and the speed that you get through Erlang is really well suited to that industry.
I wouldn't say that the speedy is the speedy of development. Yes, for sure. Yeah. The performance. That's why we built also Maestro, because we can integrate parts that are not Erlang, like C++ engines, and then we use Erlang for what is most useful. That is scaling up, scaling down, allow us to have concurrent and use massive cores. So that's what we gain from that. So basically, that's why we built Maestro platform.
Yeah, so that we can take advantage of the best of both worlds.
Yeah. And then how long are you guys into that process right now? It sounds like you guys are getting pretty mature in terms of how long you've been doing it.
Are you asking about Erlang or about the platform itself?
No, I was asking about the platform. It seems like you guys are pretty deep into using this from a production perspective.
Yeah, we already have it in production, but we are doing like 1 year of development of Maestro, but it's not yet deployed in the big title, but we have 5 titles that are not so big as others that we have. But yeah, it's production ready for sure, because we have it in production.
That's great. And then what are your plans for what you've done? In terms of how you're thinking you use it internally, like is it going to be sort of a studio-wide platform? And then are there any sort of aspects of it that could be open sourced or sort of lessons to share with the community?
For now, we are not considering to open source or putting it an external tool to be available to other game developers. At least use it freely. Freely, not in the sense of money, but use it by itself. But I don't know what will be from now on the business model. But for now, we need first to prove internally in our games that is the right path for all type of games that we develop. And then we don't know. We don't know what will be the business model in the future.
Yeah, it sounds interesting. Certainly, just the lessons learned in the course of rolling out this platform. There's a lot to be gained, I think, in sharing that with the community like we just did. So that's great. Okay, well, is there anything else that you would want to share with folks, just based on your experience, lessons learned or anything? We'll let you get back to the conference. I don't want to keep you too long.
Yes, I think if you watch our presentation, so you will see that's what we are dealing with. Basically.
If you're interested in Erlang and working with games, we're hiring.
Yes. Oh, that's awesome. And how's the conference been for you so far? It's been good?
Really cool. Yeah, interesting talks. And now we don't have the pressure to have to present, so we will be more relaxed.
Nice.
At least I myself, I will be more relaxed. So I will enjoy it for sure, the conference.
Okay, well, thanks for taking the time to present.
Thank you.
For having us.